Hi there, here's a quick video on how to change the battery in your Triumph key fob. You're going to need one of the 1616 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. I'll take you straight there. I'm going to be using two screwdrivers. This Phillips is a 2.0 and the flat is a 2.5. Anything around there will work. So first order business, there's a hex female here, and you want to go ahead and unscrew this screw while holding in that hex head. Go ahead and pull that out. Now, there's no very obvious place to open this, so I like to start at the top here. Just push that, separate the two halves. Careful you don't lose either of these pieces. And you want to be very careful pushing out this dead battery. Okay, there's the old 1616. The new one goes in. Make sure you get it under that tab first. And it's very important to line these up. Make sure you don't pinch that gasket. Okay, go ahead and test right here. Make sure you got your red light. Put that screw back in and you're all set. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.